எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் என்னுடைய பொங்கல் வாழ்த்துக்கள். இங்கே பல தமிழ் தெரியாத நண்பர்கள் வந்திருக்காங்க. அதனால உங்க அனுமதியோட நான் அவங்களுக்காக ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேச போறேன். Good evening to you all. Wish you all a very happy Pongal. I am Bhuvanashri and I am here to give you some details about the Chennai Flood Relief Fund. As you all know, we had the fundraising event on December 6th. We had an overwhelming response, not just from the Tamil community, but from all the other Indian communities in St. Louis. The response was overwhelming. With all their support, we were able, Tamil Sangam for the first time was able to raise close to $63,000. Thank you. Next slide, please. We contacted these organizations without a second thought. They all said yes, we will come forward, we will support your cause, and they came and helped us in the fundraising. All the members of the association and the association, they contributed in a very big way and supported this cause. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the members of this organization and the organization for coming and helping us in a big way. And I think we all should work like this in unity. Going forward, we should help each other very well. Okay, we raised the fund, and I'm sure you all have a lot of questions. Where did the money go? Who used it? Did the people get benefited by that? And I think for the last 2 months, we have a team of people working day and night. You know, when you have to talk to people in India, you have to be awake in the night. We've been making calls, talking to them through emails, getting the necessary information, making sure the money is getting transferred. So, next slide. Here are the details. This is just what we have collected so far. We are waiting for matching funds from certain organizations. The amount collected so far could go up. And this is the amount that dispersed, and the total to be disbursed is 43,000 plus. Now, after the fundraising, we had a meeting with all the presidents, and few points were decided in that meeting. One, we will select few NGOs and help them finish their project from start to finish, instead of giving small funds to multiple NGOs. Then the second thing was, we will have a non-committee member also help us in the fundraising activities and the distribution activities, and we talked to Kanikanan and he said yes without a second thought. Thank you, Mr. Kanikanan, for that. And then we decided to spend this fund for short-term relief efforts and long-term rehabilitation efforts. And the short-term fund, we are almost done with the fund distribution. And for the I'll give you the name of the NGO shortly. In fact, one of the NGO, they replied back to us saying that they do not need any fund because they have enough supplies. So that's why we decided to stop the relief fund supporting the relief efforts. Here are the NGOs. Many NGOs contacted us, but some of them didn't give the information that we wanted. So I have just provided the list of NGOs to whom we make sure the money is distributed or it's in the process of distribution. The first one is YR Gateway Foundation. This foundation was referred to us by our Nallavazhu Nanbargal of St. Louis. We have given them $3,000 to buy aqua purifier. Next slide, please. Then we have Alcott Mission School. It's a Tamil medium school for fishermen kids and slum kids. This was referred to us by the Asha Foundation of St. Louis. We have given them a fund to completely renovate their lab for the 12th standard students because they have their public exams approaching. Then we have also given fund to the Youth Foundation and the team of Anna University and SRM University students. These students, please believe it or not, they go door to door asking the people who are in the flood affected areas, asking what do they need, and they have supplied the things for them. Next slide, please. And for the long term, we are talking to two organizations. One is the Ramakrishna Chennai Mission, and the other one is Abdul Kalam India Movement. Ramakrishna, they have many rehabilitation projects, but we chose to help them with school renovation projects. And the Abdul Kalam Mission project, can I please ask the kids to be quiet? Can I please request the parents to tell the kids to be quiet? Thank you. And for the Abdul Kalam Mission India Movement, it's a very big project. They are planning to make that village self-sufficient. And to achieve that goal, they have 4 projects under that. One is providing safe drinking water, create clean and green village with solid liquid resource management, then creating power with the biodigestor plants and imparting skills to the youth. All these projects vary from 12 lakhs to 75 lakhs. We have been having multiple conference calls, and these conference calls, at least I think 13 or 15 US Tamil Sangams, different Tamil Sangams are involved in this project, and we have been taking these calls, and even Tamil Sangams across the globe. In fact, in one of the meetings, there was a person who attended the call from Singapore. It was 2 a.m. for them. Such is the commitment of the people involved in this project. Now, we are waiting for the memorandum of understanding so that we all can agree and understand what they are going to do with our fund. And the fund will be released only after we are satisfied with the papers. And then the second thing is, to start the project, we need approval from the government, so we are working on those processes. Well, in the short period, I think I have covered everything that we did in this last 2 months. If you have any questions, please contact the committee members. We'll be happy to answer you. We are also uploading the information onto our website. Last but not the least, thank you all for a very big support. We really appreciate it. Thank you. Now we would like to invite our guests who have come from other organizations to come on stage. Tamil Sangam would like to honor them and thank them for their big support. The guests from other organizations, please come onto the stage. Yes, please give them a big round of applause. Please continue the round of applause. We don't want to stop. Their support was really big. Thank you. Without them, we wouldn't have got such a big amount in the fund. I request our committee members and Kanikanan to honor the guests.
Sharon Brown. the Indian Association of St. Louis President. I thank Tamil Sangam for doing this thing. I am really honored. Thank you.
Ashwin Patel. Gujarati Samaj of St. Louis and the board member for Hindu Temple of St. Louis. Thank you all.
Elinraj Shubhakala, Asian American Chamber of Commerce board member, organization member, and also mining industry owner. So thanks to being here.
Pradeep Rajendran, I'm on the board of the Asian American Chamber of Commerce and I'm also the treasurer. I'm also part of the Tamil Sangam.
Hello, my name is Murali Krishna Bhatia. I am president of Telugu Association of St. Louis. Thank you so much.
My name is Ajay Jha. I'm coach and lead director for American Cricket Academy. We welcome to join all these community together by game of cricket. Thank you.
My name is Raviraj Konkaleti. I am Telugu Association Secretary. Thank you.
My name is Sundari Balan. I was just telling Donna that we have to thank you. I am representing Asha for Education. Asha is a 100% volunteer-run organization and our role is to identify quality projects and find ways to find them. We want to thank the India Association, Tamil Sangam and several other folks here who joined together to help one of our projects. This is based in Western Nagar. I know many of you visited Chennai, this particular project, Alcott Memorial, and it has a wonderful campus and we invite you to visit when you are in Chennai. Hope you do so. Thanks.
My name is Savan Sakarayas. I recently became president of the Malayali Association.
My name is Michael from the Malayali Association. On behalf of Malayali Association, I'd like to congratulate and thank the Association for promoting a great company.
There you go, friends and families. Thank you very much for coming. And as a part of, on behalf of Missouri Tamil Sangam, we really would like to thank for the effort we received from the other community. We feel that now we are the part of community. We're looking forward to work with you all for the upcoming year. Thank you all. Thank you for coming.